Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We are the Mighty Guru Yoghourt. Oh yes, we are. Well now, here's interesting. I spoke with the Murgatroyd earlier while I was at work. And we'd had a discussion this morning as well about the possibility of her coming out to meet me when I finish work on her new motorcycle, which regular viewers will know we picked up from Preston yesterday. The Murgatroyd is indeed coming out to meet me. She will have left the house about 25 minutes ago, and so I would expect that just around one of these bends, sometime soon, we are going to find us a Murgatroyd on her Kawasaki 500 Eliminator. Now the problem is she'll be coming this way, I'm going that way. So I wonder about a strategy here. There is a place a little further up the road where there's a big lay-by, and I might just wait for her there. On the other hand, it may be too late. She could be anywhere just here now. So it was a fairly quiet evening at work. Not many bookings and not many walk-ins. So I was able to get cleaned down and out of the kitchen by 8:30, which is always nice. And now we'll be home in time for me to do some editing and to get this little film up. And then in the morning, I can get on with editing my Newlands Pass one. I'm looking forward to that. So I've got one more day of work to do tomorrow, and then it's back to motorcycle instructor training on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Woohoo! Now then, where's this Murgatroyd? Well, I'm going to stop off here and wait for her. That way she'll see me as she comes around the bend and she'll have time to pull in and turn round. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Stop recording. Well, I've been waiting about 10 minutes. I would have thought she'd be here by now. Maybe she's been delayed. I'm going to press on and see where she's got to. Here she comes. It's the Murgatroyd. Let's give her a flash. And pull over here. Come on, Murgatroyd. It's national speed limit there. Ha 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 ha. Here she comes. Hello, my dear. You okay? Eyes are watering. Were you delayed? Were you delayed? Ah. Right. Have you had a nice ride? Been alright? Been alright? Been alright? Well, how is it then? Explain this one to me. How is it that you have never once thought about riding out to work to meet me when I finish until you get Kawasaki Eliminator?
The weather's rubbish, but then I need to put miles on.
Well, you do. Oh, I thought for a moment it might be about me.
That was quite nice actually.
Yeah.
It made me get away from work. So.
Yeah, yeah. You should be going to work on your motorcycle.
Huh?
You should be going to work on your motorcycle.
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment, you got too much on. Okay, should we have a nice ride home? Yeah, I do want to stop at some bargain booze in Milan.
Well, if you want bread for breakfast in the morning, we need some bread.
Do we?
Otherwise, I'll get it tomorrow night if you don't want bread.
I'm not fussed.
Right, if you don't need bread, we don't need bread.
No. Yeah. Just go bargain booze then. Right, when you're ready. It's a handsome motorcycle, that. And it's the perfect size for the Murgatroyd, I think. She just seems to sit so comfortably on it. Oh, I've just realised we haven't turned our intercoms on. Oh well. Well, I am actually going to overtake the Murgatroyd when I get the opportunity and pull in as a lay-by, because I do want to start teaching her trail braking. It's really important that she learns this. So, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.